Well, first of all, Tamara, let me just put you out of your misery with that. First of all, you'd never ever lose your reviews. So you can be out of stock and your listing can be thus inactive, but you'll always retain your reviews. And in fact, interestingly, that's one of the things, listings like that hijackers, well, nefarious hijackers look for. They look for products that are out of stock, that have got many, many reviews, and then they go hijack those listings and start selling on it because it gives them instant credibility having the reviews there. So you never ever lose those. But you will, of course, lose your sales rank and your bestseller rank and your SEO rank, thus, because that's all based on making sales. So you lose all that. However, here's an interesting thing for you. You can, well, what's been my experience is this. If you run out of stock of a product, let me just bring up something for you. So what's this? Can I show you that? I think I can. So if you're in my inner circle, you'll know what the hell this is. This is the product that we're doing for Inner Circle. And one of the ASINs that we're selling has just run out of stock today. And the other one, we're getting close to running out of stock. So what will happen is that listing will then basically become automatically inactive. Okay, so it'll still be there, still be on Amazon, but it'll be out of stock on Amazon, which as far as we're concerned, and also as far as Amazon's concerned, it's inactive. However, it will maintain its sales rank typically for 7 days. They maintain their sales rank. They do not retain their bestseller badge, nor do they retain their Amazon's Choice badge, but the seller rank, so the BSR, it will maintain that for typically 7 days, depending on the product and depending, of course, on how competitive it is, but it retains it for 7 days. So if you can get stock in pretty quick again, 7 days, you basically lose nothing at all. You basically lose nothing at all, and you just kind of carry on again, okay? After that 7-day period, it slowly starts to drop down the search rankings, and you've got to reboost it to get it back up. But interestingly, the reboost requires a lot less effort because you've got that history behind you. So it looks like, at least on the surface anyway, looks like Amazon takes that into consideration when it relists your product into the marketplace, makes it available again. It takes that into consideration and will grease the wheel, so to speak, ease your rankings back up to the top. So that's kind of cool. It's another good reason, I think, for your first order to sell out of your first order. I watched, last night I was watching some videos from a seller conference in the States, and one of the people on the stage was talking about not running out of stock. And yeah, I think for your first order, you should definitely aim to run out of stock. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.